Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FCEL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a very, very nice move on this one. Got the breakout of that resistance trend line and behaved very, very beautifully, and I'll explain what I mean by that. But let's just first get this update because it'll make more sense. But the key update is based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support, and that is exactly what happened here. Price got the break, pulled back, and then check it out. I mean, you could throw that right into a textbook, but the price did a fantastic job of holding above that area. So yeah, moving forward now, that green line right there is going to be the ideal level of support, meaning for ASCA, what make this chart look the absolute best going forward? Well, yeah, ideally speaking, if the price could stay above the $8.70 area, that would be fantastic. Now, if the price drops below it, does not mean that the overall chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. And why is that? Well, we still have our overarching trend line right there. So again, preferably speaking, yeah, staying above that green line right there would be fantastic. However, not the end of the world because you do still have this overarching trend line. I'm now on the flip side of things. If the price comes down there, breaks through that support, and then shatters down through that trend line, okay, that's a much different situation at that point. That would be a very big alarm bell that, maybe the bears are showing back up again. But by no means is everything, hope is lost if all of a sudden the price falls below that area. That's just more of that ideal area. As far as levels of resistance, nothing fancy or complicated here. Really just a question of where did the party and momentum stop today. That was essentially right up there at the $9 mark. So you're going to want to keep a close eye on that. But all in all, any angle you look at it, very impressive movement today. Got the breakout. Now it's just a question of how much more can the price build upon this breakout. Let's see how it all plays out next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.